welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you, or showing you how I make my baked chicken breast, or whatever you want to call it. Chicken breast. You can do bone-in chicken the same way. So chicken. These are the seasoning that I am using, and you also want a cup of oil. You're going to be pouring the oil on the chicken breast. You don't have to coat it all the way, but I mean, if you want to, you can, whatever choice you decide. And I should just let you know, like I said, you can do bone-in chicken the same way, but anytime I bake chicken, even if it's a whole chicken, this is what I use, and it always turns out so good. So as you can see, I added soy sauce as well, and now I'm just going in with the seasonings. And it doesn't matter what order you use the seasonings in, as long as you, put them on and you have a nice amount on the chicken. Also, for this recipe, I don't have exact measurements, as you can see, of what I use. I just kind of just hide it out and put the seasoning on there, because that's how I usually cook. If I'm not baking, 9 times out of 10 I'm not gonna measure anything, because I think it's kind of what makes cooking fun. And yeah, I don't know, I feel like if I measure it out, it would just all be messed up. But you'll know if you're putting too much seasoning on it, and if you're scared, it's better to not put that much seasoning than to put too much, because you can always add, after the fact, but you cannot take away. So remember that. So right here, I'm just sharpening the knife to get ready to cut the onion with. And this looks kind of creepy a little bit, actually. But I promise you, I am nice. I am very nice. So you're just going to slice up the onion, nothing fancy. Alright, so here is the chicken after I'm done seasoning and everything. And just put the onions on top of there. And also you're going to add slices of butter to each piece of chicken, and you'll see that in a moment. Alright, so this is what it's looking like after I've added the butter. And so I'm folding it here, but I did go back and add water, like half a cup to a cup of water to the pan. So remember to do that before you cover it up. And I just make sure I fold it this way with this part out. I don't fold this over the edge of the pan, because I want it to vent out. This is what it's looking like so far, and this is what it's looking like when it's all done. But when it is finished, I do, as you can see me here, putting the juice onto the chicken and kind of letting it sit for a little bit. Don't forget, this process could be easier if you had a turkey baster, but I did not have one, so this is what I'm doing. All right, you guys, this is the end result, and I made red beans and rice and collard greens with it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any suggestions, please just put it in the comment and I'll be sure to make it for you. See you in the next one. Bye.